Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create mountings in this area. This is the third video. Please watch my first two videos about C pillar trim. Okay, here I will show you how to create the mounting in C pillar trim with different doggos. Doggos is same similar doggos, but with I will add some one more rib in this area. Okay, please watch my first and second video so that you will understand well. Now I will use this power copy. Insert instant okay. Before that we need to create one point here like this. Okay, just isolate this point. Isolate this coordinate. Why it is? Just draw one line at x direction. Just use power copy from selection here. Just select this point and select this line and select this point. Okay, this doghouse is created, right? Just I don't want this much of height, doghouse height. Just I will reduce it drastically. Means initially I will change this height and reduce its height to 15 mm and increase this radius to 8 mm. This is also 8. 9 also okay. 9. Okay. I don't want this logos this much of height. Just I will reduce its height. Before that I will reduce inside this part's height. Just I will give it as 10 mm. And this height I will reduce to 10 plus 10 20 mm. Control Z. Just I will change it to 20, this plane to 20. Deactivate the fillets first and I will change this height to main body's height to okay. Now it's okay, looks fine. And I will change this height of the rib. 15. Change to 15 here. Okay. I will increase its height. I will create one more rib to this part. Okay. Projection point parallel to line. Okay. Now I'll draw one straight line here to draw like a rib. These tutorials are advanced tutorials. Who is already working in Catia, those can understand easily. Just insert one more body. Control X, Control V. Just I draw on one line. I will extrude this line, thicken and give 15 mm. Okay. Yes, okay. Just I copy this and I will paste Control V. Okay. Just I will change this sketch support. This one is sketch support, and projection point, I will change the projection point to here. Okay. Parallel line, parallel to the line, this one. Okay. Just I will pad this, pocket this, sorry, 2 mm. In the same way I will give some fillets here, 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 and one more area is here. And need to give draft to these faces, and neutral element is this, and pull direction is this one. Check the preview. This is opposite direction. Select this. Same way give mirror. Unhide the main body. Okay. Just rotate it wherever it requires. Just I will move this point. Okay. Just union trim. This logos is okay, and keep the face is this one. Okay. Now its height is varied, right? This we need to adjust. These mountings I created here is the parametric. Okay, if you want to change direction or anything, you can edit this surface with just I created. See, just if I move one point, entire this mounting is moved. In that way you need to create the mountings in plastic part. Now I will take one more point. I will create one more point here, and as x direction, x component, reverse. Okay, now I will make this entire mounting. See, we forgot one more thing here. This will become 20 and this will become 18. If you watch the first two videos, then only you will understand this power copy. Okay, I will name it as this mounting, entire mounting, as doghouse 3. Okay, doghouse 3. Just insert, make one more power copy, insert power copy, and select this doghouse entire 3. This one selected here, and I will change the inputs. Just select it, select it, select it, select this one. 4 points is showing, right? 36 point is required and 37 point is required. 37 line is required, this is not required. Okay, 1 point and 1 line. This point is selected and this line is selected. Okay. Insert power copy instantiation from selection. Second power copy. Just see here, first line, it is asking for a line first. Select this line and point is this one. Okay, see, enter power copy is copied with respect to this point. Just it is touching here, right? Just I will change this point, isolate and coordinate. Okay, just I will change this. Which one requires to change? Minus 137, change minus 120. I will give, check the preview. Okay, both are in this direction, so it is not correct. So we need to change the direction of this two mountings. Just define here and rotate it. Yes, with an axis of this one, 25 degrees. The mounting, total mounting is rotated. In the same way, this also need to rotate. Doghouse 4. Properties doghouse 4. with respect to this line minus define here. Yes, control shift. Okay, I will define here and I will rotate it with an angle. Increase this angle 40. Now it seems okay. And you use union trim with this main body and select keep. You can select any face, one face is okay. In the same way, use another mounting and union trim. Keep face as this one. Okay. In this way, we finished 4 mountings in this part. Okay. If it is narrow, we can change this minus 170, right? We'll change this to minus 150, minus 450, sorry. My entire dark box is moved. In this way, you need to create the mountings. In my next videos, I will show you how to create the ribs and what are the considerations you have to take before going to take a rib. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and please watch the videos fully.